Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install the new Google Emulator. Open your favorite browser, search for Google Emulator, hit enter, open Android developer website, click on download stable edition. If you can't find this button, search here for emulator, then click here download Google Play game, download stable edition. It is around 10 MB. Install it, double click, yes, it is finished. Close it, open Google Emulator, connect your Gmail or email. Here use Ctrl B and Ctrl H. Ctrl B is for back, Ctrl H is for home. Google Play Store is here. In this step, open Microsoft Store, search for WSA, find this tool, AOW tools. This tool is free, don't worry. Click here, free, open it, click here, help, copy this comment, open CMD, run it as administrator, paste here and hit enter. Okay, click on device. Now this device is online. When you run this command, you will have one online device. Come to install. I have this APK files. You can download any APK files from APK Pure. Search here any APK file you want. Click on download. Click on APK download. Scroll down. Here is download APK. Add your file. My file is on download. Refresh it. Come back to emulator. Click here and push up. Now I install this game. Let's run. Start. And also you can try play games